Talking Options. I like to talk options. Sweet.
I like them too. Bam, welcome back to Talkin Options, where we teach you how to trade options, and we also teach you one other thing: how to avoid these Forex scammers. I got 5 reasons and 5 ways that you can spot a Forex scammer. So I know what a lot of you guys are gonna say: oh, this girl doesn't know what she's talking about. She's just talking out of her mouth. She probably tried Forex and failed, yada, yada, yada. Listen to me. I have people backing me up like this right here. This is the Series 7. All right, and I know what a lot of people are gonna say: well, what's that? I don't need a license to be a retail trader. Well, guess what? A lot of people who are not retail traders, institutional traders, they got this little thing right here. They got a Series 7 license. Now, you may not need a Series 7 license to be a retail trader. You need this to work at a bank, investment firm, etc. But what this book talks about is a lot of key things that the average consumer, or the i.e. average retail trader, needs to know to avoid being scammed. The first thing is your Forex guru trading with a regulated broker? Why is that important? Because you need to make sure your money is in that account when you're looking for it. See, and this is why I know that they're targeting a lot of high school and college students, because they're targeting people who are putting 500, maybe 750 in their account. But when you start to talk about that $10,000, $20,000 that you're putting in your account, you want to make sure that that's still there. Well, listen to me. You're going to want that to be regulated by either FINRA or SEC. You're not going to want to put that money in an unregulated broker. That's just number one. Number two, a lot of these Forex gurus, they're talking about overstated leverage. Overstated leverage. Listen. When you're dealing with a professional trading account, yes, you can use leverage in ways to up your profit, and then also you can also use leverage to also blow your account because it goes both ways. But the thing about leverage is that you have to understand how to hedge your risk. If people are talking about Forex and they're talking about trading Forex and they don't know how to trade options, then how do you hedge that high leverage? Please tell me. See, with options trading, you still have high leverage, and with futures trading, you still have high leverage. However, you can use strategies to hedge against that. That's the great thing about trading futures and trading options, because you're able to hedge your risk. You're able to hedge that leverage. Well, there's a lot of traders out there that are talking about trading Forex with 500 to 1, 50 to 1 leverage. Cute. But they're not talking to you guys about how do you hedge that? How do you protect that trade if it goes against you? That's just number 2, guys. Let's get to number 3. They promote overtrading. They promote it day in and day out because the only thing they talk about is being a day trader. See, most people who understand and have been in this industry for a while, they understand that day trading leads to one thing. It leads to overtrading. Why? Because the emotions start to get involved and you start to see opportunities, but it was really a mirage. It wasn't really there. When you talk about swing trading, you're taking into consideration the actual trends, especially when we're trading seasonality trading. See, when you put intraday, day swing trading, and you position that with seasonality, that's when you start to see the better of both worlds, because now you're able to use intraday day trading for price action, getting in and out, just trying to identify an entry and an exit, and then you use seasonality, fundamentals, to understand the actual trend. That's number 4. Number 4 is they're not talking about fundamentals. Yes, you can use certain indicators to look at the price action, to look at the RSI, the volume. You can even use Fibonacci retracement. However, you're also going to want to understand what is moving the market, what is flowing the water, energy and motion. Emotion is what moves the market. Fear, greed, uncertainty. I talk about it all the time. Fear, greed, uncertainty. These people don't talk about it. Why? You know why. Because they sell courses and they sell memberships, and they don't trade. They sell courses and memberships, not trading. Courses, not trading, but memberships. Of course they sell in courses and memberships because they can make money, use that money, and fool you guys to say that they're actually trading. That looks like a scam to me. I left at the 5th, and honestly, one of the most important reasons, so I'm gonna break in the program to end the video. Number 5. You already know what I'm going to say. They're not talking about options trading. You guys have been trading Forex and futures, and you love to throw this part. I've been trading for 4, 5, 10 years. and you haven't heard about options trading? Now, options trading, I will say, is new, and that's the reason why people need to jump on it, because this is something that a lot of traders do not understand how to use. Number one, because it's new, and then number two, because it takes a little bit of intellect to really break it down and understand it. But the point of the fact is, they have never introduced options trading to their viewers. Why? Don't tell me it's because they've been profitable trading Forex and so they just stick to Forex. Nonsense. If you have opportunity somewhere else, you should always look to double your opportunity. They are not trading options because one, they do not understand how to trade options, and then two, because they don't know about it. That's why they haven't introduced options trading to their viewers, and they've only talked about Forex. A lot of the information they're talking about, if you Google it and go to Investopedia, you can learn about it yourself and not take their $5,000 course. You know what you can't learn by yourself probably? Options trading, because even if you Google that, it takes a little intellect to understand, and that's the reason why they haven't talked about options trading. Tell me what you think in the comments. Till next time, make sure you're talking options, guys. I'll see you later.